Yo, greetings to you guys. I go by the name of Kutlono Mukwena. Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. This is a new episode of Backyard Kitchen Garden, guys. As you can see from back here, our beautiful spinaches are looking very good, guys. As you can see from back then, guys, we planted some Swiss chard spinach and kale. And also, guys, that beautiful banana tree back there, guys, it's growing nice and beautiful, guys. So, you're going to learn a lot from me, guys, as I've told you. You're going to see that we can plant this thing, guys. These plants are beautiful, really organic, guys. You can do it, guys. I believe in you. Back there, guys, we planted this China spinach, and then the season is going to pass over, guys. As you can see here, we're going to have a long stem that is going to produce seeds, guys. And then you will see that we will only be left with kale and Swiss chard. And then after that, guys, we're going to try to plant some new vegetables like green peppers. We're going to plant chilies, and then we will see what we can use back there and plant another vegetables, guys. At the corner there, I've planted some tomato trees, guys. So you will see, guys, as time goes on, and I'll show you this beautiful garden from back then until now, guys. So you will see a time lapse throughout this garden, and you will see the progress as it goes through, guys. So you will see some fermentations, how I plant my seeds, and so on and so forth, guys. You're really going to learn a lot from me, guys. Be with me throughout this journey, guys. Your support is much appreciated, and I'll help you, guys. Thank you.